everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to make this absolutely delicious, soft, spongy, super moist, eggless carrot cake. This is very simple to make and it's hassle free and everybody will absolutely enjoy it. So let's get started and check it out. For the carrot cake, first let's mix the wet ingredients, starting with half cup of fresh curd or yogurt. To this, add 1 cup of granulated white sugar. Next, I'm adding half cup of boiled and cooled milk. Whisk the ingredients till the sugar is completely dissolved. This is a very simple and easy to make 1 bowl carrot cake. Next, I'm adding half cup of oil. This is refined sunflower oil. Make sure to use any oil that is very light, or you can also use melted butter. So whisk it till it becomes nice and creamy. So you can see the mixture has become nice and creamy. So next I'm adding all the dry ingredients, starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour or Maida. To this, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Just sieve everything into the wet batter. After sifting the dry ingredients into the wet batter, just add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Gently mix everything together. So using a whisk will be easier, so there won't be any lumps and you'll get a nice creamy and smooth batter. So you can see all the ingredients are nicely blending into the wet mix. Look at that. You need the silky smooth texture for your batter. To the mixed batter, add 2 cups of finely grated fresh carrots. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. I've taken 2 cups of that. To add a bit of crunch to the cake, I'm adding 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Now instead of walnuts, you can use almonds or cashew nuts. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of raisins. Again, raisins are also optional. Gently start mixing the batter along with the carrots and nuts and raisins. This is a very simple and easy to make cake. Like I said before, you can see, put all these ingredients in this one bowl. So if you're craving to eat something sweet and you love cakes, this is something that you can literally whip up in minutes. So there you go, the batter is ready. Now let's prepare the tin. To prepare the tin for baking, I've added a little bit of butter. Just smear it all over the tin at the base and at the sides. So if you have a baking paper or a baking sheet, you can use that. So make sure you grease on all sides. So next I'm going to dust it with a little flour. So this way the cake tin will be nicely coated. Pour the batter into the prepared cake tin. Gently tap the tin to release any air bubbles. It's time to bake the cake. Today we are baking this cake on the stovetop in this Kadai. Well, who needs an oven when the stove can do all this magic? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let's start baking. So I'm just going to preheat the Kadai on medium flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid, place the stand inside, place the cake tin inside. I'm just garnishing with a few chopped walnuts. This will give a nice crunch when you bite into the cake. You can also use sliced almonds or chopped cashew nuts. Close the Kadai and bake on medium flame for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see the cake is baked beautifully. Wow, just look at that gorgeous color and all those nuts. You can check by inserting a skewer stick or a toothpick. And when it comes out clean, you know the cake is baked to perfection. And you can also see it's released from the sides of the tin as well. Take the cake tin out of the Kadai and cool it completely before you remove the cake from the tin. So now the cake has cooled down completely. I'm just going to remove it from the cake tin. Wow, just look at that beautiful color and texture in the cake. Let's cut the cake into nice big slices. Look at that beautiful big slice of carrot cake. It's so soft, spongy, and it's so moist, and it's baked to perfection. So you can see the steps are pretty simple. It's very straightforward. Just follow all the tips and steps I have showed you to get this cake perfectly. Just look at this super spongy goodness. I can't wait to bite into it. So do you remember the first cake you baked? Well, mine was a vanilla sponge. Let me know in the comment section what was your first cake. Well, I enjoyed this big slice. Oh wow. It's so moist. With a nice cup of coffee or tea, I can have 2 or 3 slices easily. With the goodness of carrots, the crunchy nuts and raisins, wow, this cake is a perfect recipe that you don't want to miss. So give it a try, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.